OpenSciEd, Screencast for how to use CODAP, student-facing video. A rainfall by month table is shown on a CODAP document.
To make a graph in CODAP, click on the graph icon.
A scatter plot graph appears.
Then drag and drop the attributes you want to see on your graph onto the axis where you want to put it. For example, I'm putting month on the x-axis and average rainfall on the y-axis. In this case, I have a third attribute, region. I'd like to see my data separated by region. So I'll drag and drop that attribute to the top of the graph, and it will display by the three regions. I can make my graph bigger. I can explore a lot of different features with my graph. If I click on a point in the data table, it will highlight it in the graph. If I don't like the graph I made, I can minimize it and make a new graph, or I can simply close the graph and start again.
The video ends. OpenSciEd.